When you grow your own food, you savor it more because of the effort it took to get to the plate. And growing your own food isn't rocket science. In this video, I will be sharing my first experience about growing sponge gourd. Initially, we start by deciding the place where we want to grow gourds. Once the place was decided, I started with some basic tools for digging pits and seeds for sowing. You need to keep check on weeds and plants initially, ensure there is enough space for the vine to climb. In my case, it took 2 weeks for seed to germinate. I have used horizontal wires to support vine and grow. It is easy to manage. One can use trellis. After substantial growth of plant, it starts flowering. Flowering take approx 30 to 45 days. Now, the main thing is to understand the difference between male flowers and the female flowers. Look over the flower of your plant to find two that don't resemble one another structurally inside of the flower. Look at this. Seeing multiple stamen signals this is male flower. Male flower comes in bunches. And this is how female flower looks. The goal of every living organism, including plants, is to create offspring for the next generation. One of the ways that plant can produce offspring is by making seeds. Here, pollination process comes in consideration. Natural pollination is act of transferring pollen grains between male and female organs of the flower without human intervention. You can see bee here helping us with the pollination process. Like some insects help us with the process, other insects might be harmful for your plant. So to keep them away, we may use organic powder. Natural pollinators has bees, butterflies, some birds like hummingbird and mammals like bats, which pollinates more than 500 species of tropical plants. Unfortunately, overuse of pesticide, pollution and climate change are causing natural pollinators to disappear. Well, this can be discussed in some other video. Finally, after so much of natural process, we have our smooth gourd. Smooth gourd is pungent and bitter in taste, hot in potency and act as an antitoxic. It elevates Vata and Pitta, stimulates digestive fine and imparts taste. It has multiple Ayurvedic and medicinal use. It almost took 2.5 months for me from sowing seeds to harvesting sponge gourds. It is an amazing experience to grow your own food. Helps you understand the process, builds your intense relation with nature and makes you a better person. If you want to know detailed process, you can follow my FB page or blogs. Links are mentioned in the description. If you want to order seeds, you can ping me. Till then, namaste.